Morning, everyone. Okay, so we're looking like we could be hopping into a long trade here pretty soon. Yeah, if this is wiggling up, then we'll hop in here. Okay, wasn't quite up high enough right there. Okay, not quite. Maybe on this one. Okay, we're in. Looks like we're actually getting a lot of reactions at our 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart here. Our drink today is the Goat White Gummy Bear Rain. Almost got up there. Come on, come on. Oh, it's wiggling. Come on, a little further. Let's see, today's 29th. Lots of red folders for Canadian pairs at 7:45. And then a red folder at 8:30 for Canada again. Then we have an orange calendar news event at 8:30 for the US. Awesome, we got filled. Cool. All right, let's see if we can. Oh, nope. Okay, that's okay. Just gonna say, let's see if we can. I want to run, but all right. Well, that's a bit of money. Come on. So we're just waiting for trade opportunities to go long. For 4 hours, very bullish. So we're looking to take trades with the 4-hour trend. And we're about to start wiggling down here on our 5 minutes, so it's probably going to be a little bit before we get another look here. And if that is the case, I need to go to the restroom, so I will be right back because I think we've got some time. Let's see. Alright, we didn't miss anything. I was kind of watching my stream for a second while I was busy. And I saw we were kind of moving back up a little bit, and I was worried this was going to flatten out and this was going to be pointing up and I was going to miss the trade there, but we did not. What could be something to do while we wait for setups? Because it's probably going to be a minute here before this turns around and it's looking long again. I was thinking we could play some kind of game, but like couldn't be something too engaging. I have been known to play some Age of Empires here and there. Some chess as well. Although I'm horrible at chess. Absolutely horrible. I think my chess rating online is like, it's less than 300, so it's pretty bad. There was a point where I was playing a good amount. I have a really good friend who's really into chess, and he got me into it. But I think I got my elo up to like 600 once. But that was a sweaty, very sweaty 600. Yeah, not good. But Age of Empires, I'm not terrible. I'm rated like 1100. You know, that's not great, but it's not terrible. Oh man, I need to do something about this playlist. I need something I can stand. Let's see. Epic. Let's go with the royalty-free Epic music. All right, so yeah, just your generic epic music. Makes it seem like day trading is super intense. It can be sometimes. Let's see, I want to see how this sounds on the stream. Let's see, I want to see how this sounds on the stream. Yeah, I think that's fine. What? New version of what? It didn't even tell me what it was for. Oh my gosh. My camera must have a shortened cord because if I move my computer at all, it will freeze for no reason. Like, I literally just scooched my laptop just a tiny bit, and you saw that it froze there for a second. All right, we are bending up on our 1 minute, and if we can start bending back up on our 5 minutes, then we could be looking to go long again. Looks like we've been having a bit of a hard time breaking through this right here. Let's see. Doesn't really look like there are any. It doesn't look like a crazy level anywhere else. I mean, maybe right here and right there a little bit. So there's, I mean, yeah, that doesn't seem too strong. It just looks like its own little thing. And we have our 200 moving average here. I should check how much respect that's been getting lately. Not really. I mean, a little bit right here. Yeah, and right there too. We've been really bouncing off more off of our 50 moving average, but yeah, might be tough to. I mean, if we're getting a signal to hop in, like right here at the top of this, that's probably not going to be a great idea. Considering we would have a hard time breaking through this level and the 200 moving average. And we did break above here, but this was not pointing up. It was, I mean, if anything, it was vertical. Why does this do this? So, could have hopped in, but I definitely want this looking a little stronger before we do that. We do have room to move back up to the top of this range here. I'm actually going to add a couple of moving averages to my trading view chart too, because I do want to see how the 5-minute chart is reacting relative to the take profit and stop loss. And it simulates where those would be on TradingView as I'm getting ready to put in an order. It doesn't show here, so okay, I would bet there's a good number of traders looking at this and might be looking to buy here because we are bouncing off a 50 moving average and a level that a lot of people are going to be drawing on their charts. So bouncing off both of those and maybe looking to make its way toward the top of this level, this channel. Especially where our personal bias is toward the upside right now. Here's the dream. We bounce off this, break through this convincingly, and then we get a signal to buy. That would be what we're looking for. That would be the dream. Last thing we want would be to get a signal to buy at the top of this. Let's just see what the yen is up to. Yen's looking bearish. This actually would have been a really good opportunity to sell right here. Right here. And some good movement there. I do actually want to see what the euro looks like. I have been back testing the euro, and it actually seems to get very similar results as gold so far. Oh, come on. I'm a little annoyed that green chart, when you switch tabs here, it doesn't keep your markings on your chart. It just completely reloads it. Yeah, definitely reacting to this level in this 50 moving average here. Yeah, so I think this next 5-minute candle is gonna be bouncing off. It's so rangy. euro is a bit rangy as well. What were we looking at? The yen? Was the yen rangy? No, not really. If we wanted to look at taking a trade on the yen, we'd be looking for this to go back up above our 20 level here and then make its way back down. Definitely bearish. Have some room where we could tap the 50 moving average on our 4 hour on the downside as well. So okay, we could be looking for a turnaround on the yen here pretty soon. Wait. Oh, that's why. There we go. Um, It looks like the yen's losing some steam on our 4 hour. Well, maybe not. That could just be it getting maxed out. Yeah, Yeah, there isn't really anything indicating over here that it's running out of steam yet. Uh, 0.6 is what this would need to be. Yeah, I think if we, on our pound yen pair, if we start bending down here, I think we'll look at going short. Still keeping an eye on gold. We're starting to bend back up. Just bounce up to the top of this range here. Yeah, see? Just like I said, we're going to bounce back up. Yeah, if you were trading this level here, this candle right here is the dream. Yeah, so ideally what we're hoping for on the on gold here is that this breaks through this and this convincingly, and at that point we get a signal to hop in. But as we know from yesterday's session, ideal things don't happen all the time. Especially yesterday. Yesterday was funny. It's nice to see we're kind of respecting our 50 moving average here so far. Yeah. So if we keep respecting this, bounce back down. Let's see how this pattern. Yeah, I mean, it's bearish. It's not crazy, though. Why does this get messed up when I I don't understand. Oh. Oh, gold, 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 gold. Yes, we're going long. Yep, okay. Wow, that happened fast. Wasn't this expecting to kink up like that? So we actually got a really good entry, according to our strategy at least. And it doesn't look like we're fighting against any moving averages. In fact, they are going to be helping. Yeah, so to hit our stop loss, we have to break through this moving average, this level. And it looks like there's a small level kind of right here to have to break through as well. Oh, you couldn't even see that. Yeah, it'd have to break through our 50 moving average, this level, and then there's a bit of a level right here as well that it needs to break through. So just a lot of, I mean, you could look at this whole thing here as one level. That's a mess. But yeah, I think just based off of this reversal candle at the bottom of this level slash moving average, I think a lot of buyers are looking for this to at least make it back to the top of this range here, which will get us filled. So yeah, I don't hate this trade. Let's see what the... Yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on this, because if we're not in this trade very long, we could hop into a short trade on the yen. Alright, let's see if we can get some respect on our 50 moving average on our 1 minute. Okay, we're toying around with this moving average again. Oh, kind of the last thing I would want is for this candle to close with this pointing down again, because that goes against everything we just did. Especially where that'd be breaking down underneath our 20 level here. So I don't mind a red candle, I just don't want this breaking down below the 20. I just want this pointing up still. Okay, and it does stay pointing up just barely. we weren't in our trade on gold, we would have sold. Right here. Take profit would be 42. Yeah, we would have won that one already. Darn it. And then our runner would have gotten stopped out, but hey, that would have been quick money. All right, this is doing exactly what we don't want it to do. Oh, geez, this is really looking like it's going against us. Dang it. Yeah, I think we just lose this one. Gosh. Dang it all. Ay, all right. Alright, well, our balance is basically just above breaking even, so gosh, that really sucks from going from only being a little over $100 away from hitting our first phase in our prop firm challenge to just losing basically 6.5% or so, losing 2 trades in a row. So now we're gonna go ahead and switch over to our $5,000 account, because we can't lose 2 trades in a row in the same day. So similar story as yesterday, where we're dang it, it's so annoying. Well, I mean, it happens in our back testing, it's gonna happen in the live market. It just sucks when it happens in the live market. We were so close. All right. So Looking for this to bounce back up. On gold, let's see what the yen's doing. Yeah, the super frustrating part is if we hadn't taken the trade on gold, we would have taken the trade on the yen and would have won that one really quick. That would have been right. Here, so we would have hit our take profit real quick, and then our runner would have gotten taken out. But it would have been a winning trade overall. Better than losing. Man, really annoying. And there's some news at 8:32. If we could have just held on a little longer, maybe that news could have helped us. Let's check out the euro. Ooh. I think the euro is worth keeping an eye on right now. Let's actually make a layout for just the euro, because the euros did seem to do pretty well in back testing so far. Duplicate. Symbols. And then we'll save. Okay. Yeah, so we'd be looking for this to go back, make a move back toward our 50 moving average, and maybe we could take advantage of some of that movement there. Oh man, I'm peeved about this. Take a trade long here, looking for it to bounce up, and we just break through all this immediately. It is pretty common though for after big moves like this for it to reverse back up. So we'll be keeping an eye for an opportunity to look for that reversal. Okay, yen still not showing us any opportunities here soon. I'm trying to remember what our lot size, what it would need to be for. That's probably something we should look at if we're getting ready to take a trade on the euro. That's still going down. That hasn't pulled back yet. Let's see, we were back testing the euro yesterday. We could look at that. Seriously? Okay, 5,000. Oh, come on. 80. So that makes sense. So half a lot basically is what we'll be looking at doing. Well, hold on. Yeah. Is there some kind of level here that we're bumping up on? Yeah, a little bit. So hopefully we get a double top here and get a chance to go short on reversal. Okay, yeah, still looking for this to make a move down. Okay, looks like we could be getting some reversal action on gold here. Let's see if that. I think this just actually needs to be one lot on the euro. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. So just one lot on the euro is what we'd be trading if we get something on there. Okay, still forming this. I guess you could look at it like a double top here, but there's definitely a level that it's reacting to. And put that as low as possible there. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. So hopefully we get a reversal off of this. And it could give us some opportunities to take a short trade. I'm the euro. Yeah, this is gonna take a good amount for that to bend that back up. Ooh, the yen's looking interesting. Take a really hard look at that, see where that's facing. This is looking. I mean, if it keeps moving up, that could be barely pointing up, so that's something we'll need to keep an eye on. Come back to that in just a second. Okay, not quite reversing. What's the euro doing? Okay, we got the double top-ish. Let's see, I think there was... news at 8:30 on the CAD. Yeah, it made some movement. And ooh, you know, it would be interesting to look at taking a position here. Yeah, wait for a pullback and then look to go long again. That is interesting. All right, we're going to replicate this and set up a tab for the UCAD after we okay. Could have looked at going long here if this was pointing up, which it's not, so all right, we didn't miss anything there. Gold still not anywhere near us taking the trade. What were we looking at on the euro? Still looking at this to make its way back down again. All right, let's replicate this. CAD. Rename. And save. Yeah, this is just, no, not really. Yeah, not really interested in that, I don't think. Oops. Okay. This could be interesting. Let's see what our lot size needs to be. I mean, if we do similar, so 80, so 1.5. All right. I really like how the euro has very small spreads. Oof. Alright, so let's see if we can get some bouncing off of our 50 moving average. Wait for this to pop back up and maybe we can look at going long on the CAD. Make sure I'm not missing anything anywhere else here. Oh, well, this could start popping up. Still looks like we're breaking through this level here on the euro. Still some possible opportunities here if we break back down and go back up. Well, no, we're just looking for this to actually just go down. And yeah, I think of all the pairs here, the CAD is the one we are closest to going for a trade here. Just looking for this to reverse. Why would this reset? I don't understand. Okay, still want to keep an eye on gold. We could actually be setting up to go long here. Okay, we'll keep an eye on gold till the close of this 5-minute candle here, because I suspect we're going to start wiggling up here, and then we can take a trade once we get this up past the 80 level on our 1-minute chart here. Don't need that open. Those are just mock trades. That's not real. Okay. Still keeping an eye on the CAD. All right, let's see if this bounces up at the post here. That's interesting. It's pointing more down after that. What? Okay, well, guess we're not going to take a trade. Okay, I think we're getting close on the CAD. Just check our other pairs real quick. Okay, that would need to break down and go back up. Wow, really big move. Yeah, and we are looking for a reversal here still. Okay. Double check gold here, make sure that's not Yeah, what the heck is going on? That's interesting that this would kink down further after going up like that. So makes me think it would want to actually make its way back down again. Alright, waiting for this to start making its way up, and then we'll look at going long on the UCAD. Just double check this because this is so interesting. Okay, if this reverses down, then we could be looking at taking some trades the downside on the pound yen. Euro still going up. Rename this. If it would let me. Okay. Yeah, it's so interesting. Okay, this would need to go back down under and then back up. First look at going long. This is actually pointing up now, so we could look for that. Okay, nothing with the euro yet. Yep, still mostly waiting for this to start making a move up here. That's better. Okay, not a big enough pullback here yet. Sorry, not a pullback. We're just looking for this to actually just break back down. Okay. Oh, interesting. This is actually starting to bend down. Which is not ideal for what we're hoping to do. just going to be a minute. I don't think we're going to get anything on gold. Let's see. Pound yen, we could look at taking a trade at the post. We're breaking up on our, when we post up on our, breaking above our 80 level here on the 5, but in my back testing, that has been not the most reliant, especially where it's probable where we could be coming back to retest this 50 before we keep going. Oh, CAD. Dang, man, if we were paying attention, we would have hopped in right here. And we'd already be closed out, probably. Yeah. What the crap? Ah, dang. We missed it. Probably a little more, actually. Can't believe we missed that. We were waiting for it the entire time. We were looking at another chart. Okay. Darn. Well, let's see if there's anything else we might be able to get before we wrap up here. If this breaks down below 80 and goes back up, maybe. That's going to be a few minutes. Dang, I am right here. Man, we lose our trade in our bigger account, switch over to this one, then we start missing trades. I blame the new music playlist. Oh man, this would have been a really good one so far too. Okay, we would have, our runner would have got stopped out right there, but hey, we would have gotten a good trade in. You know what? We could actually take a buy here. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to take a buy. At this post. Okay. We're in. Whoa, how come we got such a bad entry on trade screen? Yeah, we didn't get a very good entry on one of the legs of that trade there. Okay, retesting this 50 and hopefully we bounce off. I guess we did technically get one good trade, small good trade on our, before we lost that one on our other account. Yeah, why did this get such a bad entry? It doesn't make sense. Yeah, holy cow. So we wanted to get in right here. We ended up getting in. Oh gosh. 89? Okay, that's not as bad as it looks, I guess, but... Yeah, oh well. We're in it. We got a pretty good entry on our second leg. Alright, we really need to start making our way back up to where we've been. I don't want to lose 2 trades in one day. Alright, 9 o'clock. Let's see if we can get some 9 o'clock magic. What the heck is with this gap right here? Weird glitch. Let's see. Didn't quite move down enough for anything, so Alright, well, we got stopped out of our first leg. One of our legs. Gosh. Ooh. Dang it, man. Man, what a crappy day. Freak. Okay, well, that officially puts us down on our $5,000 accounts. And we're about to get stopped out on our second leg. There it is. Gosh. Man, not our day. Not our day today. I feel like we took good trades, but just didn't go our way. Alright. Recap. So we lost our trade on our $5,000 account. So that brings us down almost... let's see. $5,000. 2.5%, a little over 2.5%. Well, actually, almost 3.5%, I think. So we're down overall 3.5% on our $5,000 account. So we got some digging to do, and these are prop firm challenges. So we have 10% to play with overall. And then on our on our $10,000 account, I think we're basically at $10,000 now. Yeah, just above. So basically we're breaking even on our $10,000 account. You can see right here. This one is the one that really sucks because we were at almost 10,700 and we were pretty close to passing our first phase. So it stinks that we have 2 bad days in a row where we pretty much have to start all over. But I mean, it's part of something that kind of we expect to happen every once in a while, just based off of our back testing. So, well, folks, hopefully tomorrow is a better day, and